Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. Hope you're doing really well. Just want to do a quick market update and say hi to everybody. To talk about the markets today, talk about some Waybot strategies, and talk about the TCC trend indicator if you don't have that yet. Alrighty guys, so here we are. It is July 6th. This is kind of a weird week in the markets. A lot of people July 4th take a little time off. Though we saw some really nice price action this morning. If I pull up the TCC trend indicator on the 15-minute chart, you can see that today we hit a new yearly high. About 31,500 is our high that we hit, and then we slowly started to have a sell-off right there down to 29,888. You can see there, and then we had a strong buy signal on a 15-minute chart. You can see we're starting to work our way back up again. This is a good sign. We are trending up. All indications point that we are definitely trending up. We're going to continue to trend up. You can see that the TCC trend indicator is in the green and that we are bouncing around these channels and you can take profit. Let me show you guys something. If you haven't been through our TCC trend indicator training yet, which is inside the members, those of you guys that are already members, make sure that you can go through the TCC Fast Start training in here. And by the way, we uploaded the Crypto Beginners course, the Crypto Masters course as well, and of course we have our Waybot Fast Start training. But if you just trade these ranges right here, you buy support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance, you can make a really nice 4% move for each one of these moves. And a 4% move is a really good goal. You can even pull the TCC trend up on a 1-hour chart and buy on the strong buys and sell on the strong sells on a 4-hour chart. And that strategy works really well. You can also buy on the buy signals as well. Set up your take profit to a certain profit percentages, 3.5%, 4%, and it's a very solid strategy. So if you haven't been through the TCC trend training yet, I highly recommend that you do that. So we're going to talk about some of the other markets, but I want to shift over to Waybot strategies really quick. If you haven't already gone over and started running the Waybot 5HV strategy, guys, go ahead into the members area and load up that strategy. It's probably our best strategy that we've ever created for Waybot so far. So I would highly recommend that you run that. We have Waybot 3, we have Waybot 4, and now we have Waybot 5HV. They're all very solid strategies. But I am now becoming more particular to Waybot 5HV because of the way it's structured and the way it dollar cost averages and the way it gets you into profit faster. Let me go ahead and refresh one of my accounts here. You can see I've already made $27.38 today, and I have several other bots that are getting ready to getting closer to taking some profits in here. You can see that how far we've dollar cost averaged down. The nice thing about Waybot 5HV is it will usually do 1 or 2 trades a day, sometimes 3, depending on what type of where the market is that day. And then if it does have a nice price correction, it captures those price corrections, dollar cost averages at the right time, and then kicks back into profit a lot faster. In fact, if I look at a 15-minute chart, I can see this here, that many of my bots here this morning sold into profit and then started new bot strategies. In fact, let me switch over to this demo account here because I have a lot more in this particular demo account. You can see that today's profit's been $205 here on this demo account here. In fact, I can see that I have several more bots ready to pop into profit here. Let me go ahead and take this and show you what it's done the last 7 days. So the last 7 days here, it's done $2,105. Let's do the profit by pair. $250 on June 30th, $250 on July 1st, July 4th, July 2nd, $645, $138 on the 3rd, the 4th, $150, $463, and that's in a boring market, guys. $205. I'll show you some of my pairs. This is on the demo account. ADA, AVAX, what is this? APE. Bitcoin Cash has done really well. BNB, Doge, DOT, ETH. Injector Protocol has been really strong this whole year. Lido. What do we got here? LTC, Litecoin, Matic. Let's see what else we got. Pepe. It's done really well. Uniswap. and just regular Bitcoin. Switching over to a real account here, I'll show you how this particular real account is running. I have a couple different real accounts. So profit by day, this particular real account last 7 days has done $255 in profit. Pretty nice for not having to actually do anything, just pulls in profit by itself. So I did $33 that day, $43, $87, $18, $13, $32, and $27 today. Here are the pairs that I've been running the last 7 days: Bitcoin Cash, Doge, ETH, Injected Protocol, Lido, let's see, Litecoin, Near Protocol, Pepe, and XRP. So I can see, take you through some of my histories here. So what I'm doing is for these, I'm going for about 1.5% profit on these. Oops, sorry about that. 1.5% profit on each one of these. So you can see, yeah, it's hitting about those range, 1.48%, 1.5%. I have a lot of my trailing take profits turned off on these guys. So this is a super solid strategy. If you just want to run something that just runs and makes profits, make sure that you run WaveBot. It's a long-term strategy. It's a low maintenance strategy. Once you learn it and you get it set up, just let that thing run and just apply some time to it, and it's a very, very solid strategy. All right, let's talk about some markets really quick. Okay, so where are we at right now? Let's pull up on a 4-hour chart. You can see that we've been hitting that 31,000. We've been touching that, coming up through here. And then today, like I said, we hit that 31,500. We bounced back down. And this is how markets work. So we're kind of at this point where we're either going to bust through this or we're going to break down and go down maybe to some of these lower levels. All indications are showing, and the probabilities are showing that we're probably going to break through this and go up higher. And this is what happens when we start bull markets, or at the beginning to build the base of a bull market. Now, even in the beginning, the base of the bull markets, we still go and we'll break back. We can break back down 30,000. But the whole key is that we hold these levels and that we break this. And here's a 5-day chart that you're looking here. And then we also have the weekly chart here. As long as we can start to break above and then maintain those, it's a very, very good sign. As we break above, we'll probably play around with that 30,000 level, but then you'll see that throughout this year, you know, who knows where we're going to go to. We could hit 40, we could get into the 40,000s, 45,000, we could even hit 50 into the 50,000s this year. We may even visit even a new high this year. And the reason I say that is crypto always does the pretty much kind of the opposite of what the masses think, right? So we've been in this state of like, oh, crypto's going down forever, you know, we lost all of our money, and now we're in this stage where it's going up, and now we're in what's called the disbelief stage, which I think we're in the disbelief stage where all of a sudden people are like, oh my gosh, did I miss the bottom? I was waiting for 10K. It never got to 10K. I'm sitting here, you know, I got, I was waiting. I was at 15.5. I could have bought at 15.5, but I didn't buy at 15.5, and oh no. And so, you know, this is like what happens. We're kind of in this, what's called disbelief stage. And before you know it, boom, we're at 30,000. We've done 100% return this year. And you'll watch, a little bit later this year, we'll be at 40,000. A little bit later this year, we'll probably, you know, hit 50,000. Who knows? We could visit that another all-time high, 69,000 area as well. We could hit that, and that's kind of what happens. And you as a master need to realize that that's when you are taking profits. All right? So you're taking profits on the way up as you are going up, guys. So anyway, we teach all this inside of our program. If you're not part of our program yet, get inside of our program. We'll put some links below the this video here. If you're not one of our mastermind members, you can check out our program. You can run one of our mini strategies in here. Let's quickly go through and run through some other charts here. Let me put this on a 4-hour chart. Here's Ethereum. You can see some buy indicators were here not too long ago on a 4-hour on July 5th. That was yesterday. Again, BNB. Take a look at some of these here, XRP. So the nice thing is the altcoins have not started to run yet like Bitcoin has. And we're just starting to get those the very beginnings of some of these altcoins really starting to take off. Solana's done it, ApeCoin, Matic, you know, Tron has started to take off, DOT started to take off, Litecoin's really started to take off, then had a nice dip in here. Shiba, AVAX, Link, Atom, Uniswap. You can see some of these that we track in here. So there's a lot of great Mina protocol. Looks like it's starting to trend up. Nice strong buys here. Just following the TCC trend indicator on a 4-hour chart. Strong buy here on June 23rd. You would have already done a 34% gain up at these price points here. So if you want to learn how to get the TCC trend indicator, go ahead and go into the members area. Go watch the Fast Start training on how to use the TCC trend indicator. If you're not a member already, go watch one of our workshop videos and then ask us any questions about it. There's my dogs. Probably time to end. Thank you guys for another video. We'll see you guys on another market report. This is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. See you inside the members area. Oh, I forgot one thing. Congratulations on all of our contest winners. We gave away $2,000 in crypto yesterday, and we also had another contest last week. Inside the members area, you guys can see the winners. Go in, log inside, see if you guys are one of the winners. Congratulations. We do that contest every single month. We've had some members win multiple months in a row. Alrighty, guys, this is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.